Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to add Hibernate mode on your shutdown menu. So if I'll press Alt F4, as you can see on this menu I'm not getting any Hibernate mode, so I will show you guys how to add that option. So simply you just need to go to your start window or search option and type control space panel, then press enter, or else you can click on this control panel app. Now from your right side you just need to select here large or small icon. Okay, now here you will get a power option, so click on that. Now on your left side you will get a choose what the power buttons do, so click on that. Now here you just need to click on change settings that are currently unavailable, so you just need to change that option, and after that here you just need to check this option which is Hibernate and click on save changes. Once it will done, if you'll press Alt F4, Alt and F4 together, you will get Hibernate option over here. Also you will get Hibernate over here. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.